Hi, this is Megan with Jeff Cook Real Estate. Hurricane season in the Carolinas is no joke, and over the past few years, we've had our fair share of serious hurricane threats. Hurricane season is officially from June to November, but its peak is from August to October. Our first tip is to review your local area's evacuation plans. Follow your favorite local news channel on Facebook to get live updates of dangerous weather approaching. The rule of thumb is to prepare for 48 hours without electricity. Collect non-perishable food, snacks, and bottled water in case of emergency. Your storm kit should also include batteries, flashlights, a first aid kit, and a radio. By staying familiar with the location of these utility shutoffs, you can act quickly when local officials tell you to turn off your gas. If the power happens to go out while you're at home, make sure to unplug all appliances to prevent power surge. Board up your windows and use sandbags at your home's entrances to prevent flooding. Make sure to bring all outdoor furniture and grills inside before the storm gets too powerful. Our last tip is to gather important documents such as insurance forms to know what your insurance will cover. Keep these documents in your storm kit so they're readily available in the case of damage. At Jeff Cook Real Estate, we care about providing you with resources to stay safe and keep your home in the best condition possible. For more resources for homeowners, visit jeffcookrealestate.com.